There it is, running right there. Turn the camera around this way. Alright. Dial it down just a little bit here. See the lifter working up and down. Going back up. Alright. I'm gonna put the PTO in gear. I'm gonna lay the camera down just a minute and put the PTO in gear. There your PTO is working good. I'm gonna take the PTO out of gear, put the flywheel in gear. Flywheels for pulling auxiliary stuff like grist mill, sawmill, hay balers, stuff like that. I'll pick the camera up as soon as I get the PTO out of gear and the flywheel in. There's your flywheel turning. I don't know what the ratio is on the flywheel. All I know is it's about 10 times faster than what the tractor's running. Alright, I'm going to get on the tractor, take it out of gear, take the flywheel out of gear, drive it around a little bit for you and let you see what it's like there. There's your seat, all the controls. Ain't no step on it. I've never been a step on it. I was gonna fix one, put on it, but hell, I just ain't had time to fool with it. Alright. Second gear, here we go. Pretty good speed. Dial it down. There's reverse right there. Everything works on it. Drive good. I'm driving it with one hand, holding the camera with the other. Alright, that was second gear. That's low gear right there. Good little tractor, cranks, runs good, lifts works good, everything works on it. New battery, new tires all the way around, new tie rod in. I washed the radiator out, cleaned all the bird nests and everything out of it. Hadn't been cranked up since Christmas. There it is, you hear it running. Listen at it, it'll get down there and putt for you too, buddy. Ain't a thing wrong with it. I'm just too old to be fooling with it. My health's failing. Need to get rid of it. Somebody wants a good tractor. Here it is.